I love my SUV because it gives me everything I'm looking for in a vehicle. That includes a comfortable and smooth ride, but that doesn't just come out of thin air. In fact, the biggest contributor to the performance I've seen comes from the only components of the vehicle that touch the road: its tires. For me, true luxury means confident handling and responsive stability in every drive. Sharp braking, smooth cornering, and steady control no matter the road. Hankook understands the expectations from drivers like me, which is why they made a tire specifically meant for luxury SUVs, the Dynapro evo All Season. Every element, from its construction to its tread design, reinforces precision driving control, combining durability with the responsiveness that luxury SUV drivers expect. Thanks to its advanced all-season compound, this performance remains uncompromised year-round, lowering tread deformation and wear while enhancing overall tire and tread life. I could tell you more about why these tires are perfect for my luxury SUV, but I may as well show you. Let's start here. See these Wave 3D sipes and interlocking band sipes? They're designed to increase tread block density and keep the tread from flexing too much under pressure, which helps promote strong braking and handling performance. Here, you'll see those shallow dash grooves that run vertically through the tread but stay connected across the surface. That design helps the outer shoulder blocks stay rigid during cornering, which keeps the tire in shape and maintains consistent road contact through turns. Add in the wider contact patch and reinforced shoulders, and you get sharper, more stable handling. Take a look at the tread layout. This square center and round shoulder design help distribute pressure evenly. Hankook even removed the sharp corners from the lateral grooves to cut down on uneven wear, which helps extend the life of the tire while keeping performance consistent over time. Everything about the tire's tread design, from siping to the grooves to the shoulder design, was engineered to give SUV drivers the control, stability, and comfort they've come to expect from their vehicle. SUV owners typically buy their vehicles for a combination of versatility, capability, and comfort. They want something that handles well on the highway, feels stable around corners, and can manage a variety of driving conditions. That's why when Hankook included these technologies in this tire, they didn't just do it for the sake of it. It's fulfilling the expectations SUV drivers demand. Let's finish up on the road. I have a few more things to show you. Luxury SUV drivers obviously expect performance, but they also expect a comfortable ride. That's why Hankook engineered the Dynapro evo All Season to match those luxury expectations. The inner shoulder of the tire has widened lateral grooves, and the outer shoulders are designed to be narrow. Hankook says this combination traps resonance noise within the main grooves, significantly reducing high-frequency sounds inside the cabin. Don't believe me? Just listen. Quiet, right? The bottom line is, if you drive a premium SUV and want a tire that matches your luxury expectations, the Hankook Dynapro evo All Season is the way to go. You can tell Hankook made this tire with drivers and vehicles like mine in mind. The tire is available now and includes a 50,000-mile limited treadwear warranty. It comes in 29 sizes ranging from 19 to 22 inches. I'm Allison. Thanks for watching.